Transitioning from military to civilian life is one of the most challenging journeys you'll ever face. You've spent years living with discipline, structure, and a clear mission. But when you take off that uniform, a profound question emerges. Who am I now? Today, we're going to talk about rebuilding mental strength after military service. This journey is difficult, but it's far from impossible. Let's explore how you can find your footing again. Section 1. The Identity Crisis. The first challenge most veterans face is an identity crisis. In the military, you had a clear rank, role, and purpose. Civilian life doesn't offer that same clarity. Here's what you need to understand. You are so much more than your military role. The skills you developed, leadership, discipline, teamwork, problem-solving, these are still part of who you are. As you build your civilian identity, don't try to erase your military experience. Integrate it. Ask yourself this uncomfortable but necessary question. Where do I draw my strength from without the uniform? The answer to this question is the foundation of your new identity. Section 2. Creating routine and structure. One of the biggest adjustments is losing the predictable military routine. Civilian life can feel chaotic and overwhelming without that structure. Create a new routine for yourself. Wake up at a consistent time, exercise, set daily goals. This routine doesn't need to be as rigid as military life, but having structure is crucial for mental stability. Celebrate small victories. Whether it's making a networking call, updating your resume, or simply having a productive day. Acknowledge it. These small wins build confidence and give you a sense of purpose. Think of structure as your anchor in uncertain times. Section 3. Processing your emotions. Rebuilding mental strength requires acknowledging your emotions, not suppressing them. Many veterans think being strong means never showing vulnerability. That's simply not true. You may have witnessed or experienced difficult situations during your service. It's completely normal to feel anxiety, grief, or confusion during this transition. Seeking professional help isn't weakness. It's one of the strongest things you can do. Consider therapy, support groups, or talking with trusted people who understand. There are veteran-specific organizations that specialize in exactly what you're going through. Remember, healing isn't linear. Some days will be good, others will be hard. Both are part of the process. Be patient with yourself. Section 4. Building new connections. In the military, you had an automatic brotherhood. People who had your back no matter what. Civilian life doesn't come with that built-in support system. You need to deliberately build relationships. Join veteran communities where people understand your experience, but also create civilian connections through hobbies, volunteer work, or professional networks. This will feel uncomfortable at first, but remember, even in the military, those bonds took time to form. Be patient and stay consistent. Avoid isolation at all costs. Staying isolated can seriously damage your mental health. Reach out even when it's hard. Section 5. Finding your new purpose. The military gave you a clear mission. Now you need to create your own. Start by identifying your core values. What matters to you? Service? Family? Growth? Innovation? Use these values as the foundation for defining your new purpose. Your purpose doesn't have to be service-related. Maybe you start a business, become a mentor, or volunteer for a cause you care about. What matters is that it feels meaningful to you. Start with small steps. You won't discover your perfect purpose overnight. It requires exploration, experimentation, and patience. Rebuilding mental strength isn't a one-day operation. It's a mission that will have its ups and downs. Remember your military training, the resilience, adaptability, and perseverance you developed. Those qualities are still inside you. Civilian life presents different challenges, but you've overcome difficult situations before. You're not alone in this. Ask for help, be patient with yourself, and trust the process. You served your country with honor. Now it's time to serve yourself with that same dedication.